cheese sandwich for breakfast and tea. And we have ready for 6 hours trek.
Always ready.
Took the shortcut. Crazy.
The shortcut. In order to win the game. I'm just kidding.
Almost there. Having our comfort food.
It's delicious, bro.
This is our comms in Dingboche, and as you can see, just 2 simple beds over here, and yeah, Zach is just taking a nap. We're gonna use the sleeping bags as well. Yep. It's currently around 5 degrees Celsius and it's very cold. I'm already wearing my fleece jacket and using these gloves to warm myself up. Currently it's 9 PM at night and we finished our dinner and we just finished washing up. Everyone's a little tired. Tomorrow will be our acclimatization hike to around 5k meters region, and it will definitely be a tough hike, but we'll see how it goes. And currently some of our group members are also currently having some headaches and also having some coughs. Hopefully everything will go through and we will have high morale and also motivation to complete this. So it's more of a mental game at this point in time. So wish us all the best and good night. Good morning guys. So we just woke up and we're gonna begin our acclimatization hike soon. So just want to check on. So how are you doing?
I was having a bit of a headache yesterday, but thank God I woke up today with no more headache. So hopefully it stays that way. Yes,
Let's go.
let's go.
Hey guys, those of you who are not subscribed, do subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. So we got the simple breakfast. There's some, I think it's oat porridge. So has potatoes, eggs with this, some cheese on top, the bread. Comes together with mango juice. And I have my ginger lemon tea. Morning.
So much fun. And we'll see each other again in Lobuche. Yeah, right on the way down. So this is not too much.
See you. Bye.
Enjoy the trip, you guys.
Take care.
Remember, vámonos.
We're just having our lunch. We got carbonara with egg and cheese. consider got egg fried noodles. Now got Korean ramen with 2 boiled eggs. It's so good. Wow. Feels like we are in the middle of the city now. Ah! Oh, Jenga.
Waiting for a hot chocolate.
Yay!
Here I am in this old town, still dreaming.
She's gonna lose.
Of the open
I was wrong, huh?
I've been here for far too long. There's so
Wait, what?
much
What is
more
this?
than this I know.
Farewell to this
It's been
place for
years
now.
since I've been gone. I miss the way it feels to roam.
This is my free check for today. Like, okay, beanie with this jacket. Lobuche, Lobuche.
I'm dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within.
The egg soup. So we're gonna go up.
We will fill the tank and make our way down windy tracks and beaten roads. We'll drive away from this old town and find a place we've never known, with the summer sun over open plains with the windows down. We'll drive along and our hearts will grow as our troubles fade away.
Cheers. I know.
I'm dreaming of the weekend, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within.
This is our backdrop.
So we are at Lobuche and we found a Singapore flag at our hotel.
I'm dreaming of the road again, set free.
Okay, so it's currently around 9 PM and
Feels like we
we
found
finished
home
dinner
again.
and also packed what we need for tomorrow's hike to Everest base camp. So today was quite tough because the altitude was getting higher and it was quite tough for me because I was getting breathless and I was struggling quite a bit. So tomorrow's hike will start relatively earlier than the other hikes, and we will have to have breakfast at 6:30 and we have to wake up earlier. And it's gonna be the toughest hike that we're gonna have so far. Let's hope that all of us can pull through and make it to Everest base camp. And yeah, so we're gonna go sleep soon. My roomie Lionel is also with his beanie and all.
Tomorrow's the day, and hopefully we get some good rest and hit our target tomorrow.
Yes, let's go. Just woke up and look at the windows. It's totally frozen. You can see the snowflakes. My xiangpiao has frozen overnight. Okay, now we are eating Metro's honey oat porridge. It's a good choice. Taking a break now. Later on, we're gonna move ahead to Gorakshep. Himalaya salt at the Himalayas.
Ain't no surprise that I can't sleep
best also. Let's see if we can make it. Positive.
Let's go! Taking session. Wow. Woo!
Right. Afterwards, things took a turn during the descent when Zack lost his footing, fell down and injured himself. But thanks to those who helped, a helicopter evacuated him to Kathmandu Hospital for treatment and I followed him. Our group, once united, was now split apart. The rest had a hard time with lower morale and had to battle with sickness and fatigue. Thank God, we finally reunited at the airport for a return back home and made it back safely. If you ask me if I regretted the trip, my answer is simple. Not for a second. This was an adventure that defied all expectations, a once-in-a-lifetime experience, friendships forged, and views that were out of this world. These are the memories. They etch in our souls, lasting forever.